Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to share with you an app. It's called Fairytrail Friends and Dating. So basically it is dating app. You can use this from any countries in the world. So you can see the size of the app, 12 megabyte, and 10,000 people already downloaded this app. Okay, so we'll see some screenshot here. Explore the world with someone amazing and discover people ready to travel. So if people travel, then you can see them. Match on adventure, book to meet on the adventure. So basically it is for traveling. Like if you want to travel, then you will see who are going to travel somewhere, then you can let them know, and if they accept, then you will go with them. Okay, and this is very good app. This recently launched this app. You can see there are some feature you can read. The app is 2019 they released it. You can use this, friends. So today's normal, and thank you for watching.